Now, Korea's main stock market, the KOSPI, closed on Monday at its highest point this year thanks to strong buying by foreign investors and institutions. Analysts also say closer cooperation between the government and the central bank on the need for fiscal expansion buoyed investor sentiment. Our Ji-yeon reports.
Monday was another record-breaking day for the nation's benchmark index. After surpassing the 2,050 mark at one point in midday trading, the KOSPI settled in at 2,048 points, picking up its biggest gains in nearly 9 months. Hyoung-ryoul, an analyst at Seoul-based Kyobo Securities Company, says the impact of economic plans laid out by the country's new finance minister have played an important part in the record-breaking gain.
The local stock market is reflecting on Choi's economic plan, which shows the government's willingness to breathe life into the Korean economy. The main difference between the new economic team and the previous one, led by Hyun Oh-seok, is that other government departments, such as the Ministry of Strategy and Finance and the Bank of Korea, are on the same page with Choi on what kinds of policies should be made in order to diagnose the Korean economy.
Last Thursday, the nation's new economic team led by Finance Minister Choi unveiled a $40 billion stimulus plan to spur growth by inducing spending and promoting corporate activity. Although the new finance minister has left the issue of setting the country's interest rate to the Bank of Korea, Choi said he expects the monetary authority will make decisions to counter the economic downturn. Meanwhile, Kang Yeon-chul, an analyst at Seoul-based Uri Investment and Securities, says the country's rising exports played a big part in the KOSPI surge.
Exports this year have reached all-time highs, and company performance has also improved compared to last year. Exports to the U.S. and Europe steadily rose, and exports to China are expected to rise during the July and August period this year.
Korea logged a trade surplus for the 29th straight month in June, as exports amounted to $47.8 billion last month, up 2.5% from a year earlier. Ji-yeon, Arirang News.